No more ngiyabanda ngixolele for that episode I didn't shoot because kakhulu kule viki so sesinayo itopic esokhuluma about manje sabambekile khona ifoni yami enye nje ifike i-charging point. I need to fix that phone first bese siyaqhubeka-ke nale series yami le ishow yami le. The show can still run even though something is down. Khona le ngodla yabuquka-ke le singayibona ya manje ayinasimilo vele idayisa kumzengane lapho for a beer, couple of booze ifike nje libeke lithi daq bese zenza ngathi she got morals unaso isimilo but no, you know yourself, stay in your lane bitch before I come to your lane bitch. Awukho okunye ozokwenza ngaphandle kokupepereza ukubiza iy'ngane zabantu. Iplay yakho isaphila kodwa bitch.